it has been 5 days since we started our ferments. Like I said, I made 4 heads of cabbage, and we ended up with a half gallon of plain sauerkraut, a quart of sauerkraut that is cabbage and sorrel, another quart of mostly cabbage, some sorrel, 1 quart with cabbage, dill, and chives, and 1/2 quart with cabbage and dill. So these should be really yummy. And you can see there's lots of bubbles. We have bubbles forming at the top, which I've been skimming the bubbles off the top almost every day. You can see how much, like, we really have a lot of liquid at the top of each of these at this point. These have so much liquid in them that it actually came up through the airlocks here. A lot of activity. This is really good. I've already tasted the cabbage and it already has a good sour taste. I'm very happy with how this is going. And the other thing you'll notice is that the water turns a little bit cloudy. Once we have a good amount of bacteria in there, the water will turn a little bit cloudy. The other thing you can notice is that the cabbage is not a bright green anymore. It starts to turn kind of a yellow. Now, if you have something like sorrel, this is a reddish green leaf, and you can see that it turned the brine a little bit of a reddish brown color. That's just from the pigments in the vegetables. So if we were to ferment some beets, then your brine would be bright pink. If you were to ferment some carrots, you would get a little bit of an orange color. So that's perfectly natural. So like I said, I went ahead and tasted, and it's got a good sour taste, but I think I'm going to let them ferment for another week. Now, during the winter, I generally let them ferment for about 3 weeks, but during the summer, my house is a little bit warmer, and so 2 weeks is usually plenty during the summer.